In the St. Louis Triple Crown, round 12 of the AMA Supercross Championship, Plessinger showcased a mix of strong performances and challenges. He clinched third place in the first race, demonstrating his skill and determination. However, his momentum was somewhat hindered in the second race when he initially finished sixth but was later penalized, dropping him to eighth. Despite this setback, Plessinger didn't falter and secured another sixth-place finish in the third race, displaying his resilience. Ultimately, with consistent efforts across the races, he earned a commendable fourth place overall. On the other hand, Sexton faced his own set of obstacles throughout the event. In the first race, he struggled to find his rhythm and finished in 10th place. However, Sexton showcased his ability to bounce back by clinching 5th place in the second race, though a penalty later pushed him down to 7th. Undeterred, he delivered an impressive performance in the third race, claiming 3rd place. Despite the challenges he encountered, Sexton's determination and skill shone through, earning him 5th place overall. Both riders demonstrated their resilience and talent, navigating through the highs and lows of the competition with grit and determination.